Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna do something very cruel. I'm gonna declutter Kiara's toys. The toys that she doesn't use anymore, or the toys that are, broken. So I'm just gonna sort all of them and put them in the storage if I think that she's gonna use them in the future. The toys that are not in use anymore or broken, broken toys definitely is gonna go to recycle. Toys that are still in use, in good shape, I'm gonna donate them. So stay tuned. So these are the toys. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna sort them first. And she has painted these as well using crayons all over, so I'm gonna clean this. This is as much as I could clean them. I don't want to put so much work on it. So I'm gonna store all the toys that she uses nowadays. Like she's more into dolls and everything. I'm gonna use this cloth to cover it.
And believe me when I say our kids don't need a ton of toys. This is something we give them. We think that they need so many toys because most of the time we are so much busy in ourselves, in our work, with our work, that we just end up giving them lots of toys and we just forget to play with them, with our kids. So, your kid, what they need is your attention,
Okay.
your time.
So when I see her toys, most of उसे आदत है सारा एक ही बैग में डालने की. जो भी बैग मिले उसे डाल देती है. And when you look in those bags, let's say like this, I bought her this organizer as well. और इसमें now I only see it looks like a trash क्योंकि कुछ भी sorted नहीं है. सब कुछ mix है. You will find, what is this? प्रिंटर के कार्ट्रिज का बॉक्स है. Some, I don't know, empty boxes, pins, pens, pencils. So when it comes to it, obviously I don't expect her to really organize her toys, but this is what I can do at least once in a quarter to manage all her toys. So papers, उसके किस काम के बताओ. And that's my old bag. She said she wanted it, but obviously she doesn't. see, such a nice bag. So I'm gonna donate this because I don't use it anymore. इसका थोड़ा color rose gold is not rose anymore. So I'm done with those. सारे soft toys मैंने इसमें डाल दिए हैं. सिर्फ एक पेपा पिग और जॉर्ज बाहर है क्योंकि आजकल वो उनके साथ खेल रही है, क्योंकि अदरवाइज़ वो भी नहीं मिले तो then she'll be like all कहाँ गए मेरे toys, right? I mean she knows कि ये कहाँ जा रहे हैं in the storage. So yeah.
When I sat down to sort all her toys, I was smiling constantly because I was finding little bits and pieces of something you would never imagine. You know, I found stones, I found a cup, I found one spoon that what I thought it was just lost. So, yeah, as I said, we think that our kids need expensive toys, but they just need you just give them your kitchen dishes and everything, they would be happy with them also. And if you really want to give your kids a lot of toys, just make a ritual to present them a toy on their birthdays, on a festival, or on a special days, because at the end of the day you are making a clutter, you are making a clutter at your house. Because even I know and you know, our kids don't play with all the toys they have. They will only play what is in front of them, right?
Pencils. Pathar. I mean, why? Gudu, why? Tell me, what is this? At last. और ये हैं उसकी सारी cars, train tracks and everything. Beautiful dollies. और ये इसके bath toys हैं, जब bath लेती है तो she just puts all of them in the tub and plays with them. So we are done. थोड़े बहुत ही टॉयज हैं अब इसके, बट सॉर्टेड हैं. इसमें सिर्फ इसकी डॉल्स जिससे ये खेलती है, और ये इसके किचन का सामान. ये भी खाली हो गया है. इसमें सिर्फ बॉल्स हैं, स्टफ टॉयज एंड एवरीथिंग. सारे टॉयज सॉर्टेड. सो वी आर डन. See, when it comes to your kids toys, जब आपके बच्चों के खिलौनों की बात आती है, so you just can't throw everything and be done with it. आपको सोचना पड़ता है कौन सा टॉय आपका बेबी यूज़ करने वाला है. Your kids are gonna use them, so you have to be a little bit careful about it. So I won't say I got rid of many toys, but yes, bits and pieces जो टूटे हुए थे and जो लगता था कि उसको hurt कर सकते हैं, that we just got rid of it. और सिर्फ 2 टॉयज़ हैं जो मुझे लग रहा है कि सिर्फ डोनेशन के लिए जाएंगे. अदरवाइज बाकी शी इज़ गोना यूज़ ऑल ऑफ देम, क्योंकि आई कीप ऑन decluttering her toys. I mean, it's like a ritual every season, you can say, winters and summer. उसके पास बहुत सारे टॉयज़ हैं. येस, आई मीन शी इज़ अ ब्लेस्ड किड. आई विश कि उसको जो भी चाहिए वो उसको मिलता रहे. But yes, she should know how to take care of her toys. She should know the value of getting all the toys. इसलिए ये shuffle process ये जो मैं करती हूँ every now and then, it's important, ताकि आपके बच्चे को पता चले जब आप उसको, चाहे उसका पुराना टॉय है लेकिन उसको बहुत टाइम के बाद दिखता है, so your kid would always cherish those toys also. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you loved it, do subscribe to my channel. If you like it, give it a like. Bye bye.